Welcome to our world of interior design at THT Design Channel. Here, we believe that your home is a reflection of your soul. Join us as we explore a myriad of styles, from minimalist chic to opulent grandeur. We'll transform spaces, big or small, into havens of comfort and style. Get ready to be inspired by stunning makeovers, practical design tips, and the latest trends. Let's create your dream home together. A modern wooden retreat, nature's embrace. Nestled amidst the tranquility of a verdant forest, a modern two-story wooden house offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of urban life. This architectural gem, crafted from natural materials, seamlessly blends into its surroundings, creating a harmonious coexistence between human habitation and the natural world. The house's exterior, a striking juxtaposition of sleek lines and rustic charm, is a testament to the versatility of wood as a building material. The use of wood throughout the structure not only adds a warm, inviting aesthetic but also contributes to a sense of connection with nature. The wooden staircase that winds up the side of the house, a sculptural element that integrates seamlessly with the overall design, adds a touch of whimsy and invites exploration. The swimming pool, a shimmering oasis in the heart of the forest, provides a refreshing escape from the summer heat. Its design, carefully integrated with the surrounding landscape, creates a sense of harmony between the man-made and the natural. The pool's reflective surface captures the beauty of the forest, creating a mesmerizing interplay of light and shadow. The interior of the house, equally impressive, is characterized by a minimalist aesthetic that emphasizes natural materials and abundant natural light. The wooden floors, a warm and inviting feature, provide a tactile connection to the earth. Large windows offer breathtaking views of the forest, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor spaces. The house's design is not only aesthetically pleasing but also practical and sustainable. The use of natural materials, such as wood, reduces the house's environmental impact. The placement of the house in the forest provides natural cooling and insulation, minimizing the need for artificial heating and cooling systems. In conclusion, the modern two-story wooden house in the forest is a testament to the power of architecture to create a harmonious relationship between humans and nature. Its design, a blend of modern aesthetics and traditional materials, offers a serene and inviting retreat. The house's integration with the surrounding landscape, combined with its practical and sustainable features, make it a truly exceptional dwelling. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.